This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials and starting the first tests immediately. Inspect the carton for dates and broken shells. Cracked eggs are likely bad. Next, set one egg in hand and shine a light or hold it up to detect obvious discoloration or large dark spots. Once done, prepare a bowl of water and a clean surface. Make sure to separate suspect eggs from the rest. Do not wash them yet, because that removes the protective bloom. You move on to the reliable float test to judge age and likely quality. Place eggs in a bowl of water. If it sinks flat, it's fresh. If it tilts or stands upright, it's older but often usable. If it floats, toss it because gas buildup indicates spoilage. Once done, crack suspect eggs into a separate dish, not into your recipe, and sniff immediately. Make sure to note any sulfur or rotten smells. Those are definitive signs to discard the egg. You complete the process with final visual and cooking checks to ensure safety. Inspect cracked eggs for blood spots or greenish yolks. Small blood spots can be removed, but green-gray yolks indicate overcooking or old eggs. Once done, cook a small sample. Firm whites and yolks set quickly indicate freshness, while watery whites suggest age. If you still doubt an egg's quality, do not risk it. Retest with float or discard. Troubleshoot by checking storage conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.